morning, children. Children, today I am going to take English for 10th class. English for class 10. Unit 4. Okay, textbook page number 190, children. Textbook page number 190. Films and theatre. Films and theatre. Look at the picture and answer the question that follows. So look at the picture, children. Observe it. Yes. Is this picture a poster, an advertisement, a painting? Justify your option. So tell me this, children, whether is it a poster, is it an advertisement, is it a painting? It is a wall poster. It is a wall poster. It has a title, two persons, the actors. It is not an advertisement as it does not contain any commercial information, nor it is a painting too. Hence, I think it is a poster. So, it is a poster because it is not an advertisement, because why means in that we cannot see any commercial information in that, and also it is not a painting too. Who is the director of the film? Singatham Srinivas Rao. The director of the film is Singatham Srinivas Rao. Who are the people involved in the film making? Who are the people involved in making that film? Making a film requires the talents and abilities of a production team. To understand the roles of a film production team, you can compare the position of each crew members to the people needed to prepare a fine meal. The following chart lists the common positions found on a typical film production team and explains their responsibilities. So here position, responsibility. Okay, children. First one, writer. What is his responsibility? Writes the list of ingredients. For example, if you are preparing any dish, we will write the ingredients, list of the ingredients. Next, executive producer pays for the cost of the dinner. Then, line producer finds where to get the best deals. Producer purchase the groceries, helps choose the brands. Casting director choose the food that's right for the picking. Location scout locates the dinner location. Transportation transports the guest to the table. Director takes all the ingredients and cooks them into a great meal. Assistant director, assistant chef. Script supervisor make sure the chief follows the recipe. Director of photography makes the food look really good. Sound mixer records all the crunches and lip smacking. Boom operator gets the microphone in close to hear all the crunches and lip smacking. Gaffer lights the food to look good, sets the mood with a candlelit dinner. Grips help with the utensils for eating the meal. Production assistants act as waiters and bus boys. Makeup person brushes on healthy colors to prepare the food to look appetizing. Wardrobe person dresses the food to look tasty. Production designer enhance the setting and decorates it for dinner. Prop master supplies the appropriate tableware including plates and glasses. Stunt coordinator rigs the exploding champagne bottles and smashing of silverware. Editor serves the meal in continuity. Appetizer first, entry next, dessert at the end. Then composer creates the right music atmosphere for enjoying the meal. Post-production supervisor cleans up the mess. So this is the position and the responsibility of to make a film. So here is to make a dish. Okay, the responsibilities, by seeing the responsibilities you can understand it is for the making a good dish. Then oral discourse, talk about your favorite actor, filmmaker, film, give reason why you like him or her. N.T. Ramarao was born on 28th May 1923 in Nimmakuru, a small village in Gudivada, Taluk of Krishna district, which was a part of the Restwell Madras Presidency of British India. He was born to a farming couple. So this is about N.T. Ramarao. He was born in Gudivada in Krishna district and to a farming couple. Parents used to farm. They are the farmers. He was a prolific actor as well as director. He was an actor and as well as he is a director who had made the films and acting more popular in Andhra Pradesh. He has become popular with his uniqueness in acting and talent. In the later half of his career, NTR became a screenwriter. Despite having no formal training in script writing, he authored several screenplays for his own movies as well as for other producers. He also produced many of his films as well as other actors' films through his film production house National Art Theatre Private Limited in T. Nagar, Madras. Now it is called as Chennai. He actively campaigned for the construction of a large number of cinemas through this production house. He was influential in designing and implementing a financial system and founded the production and distribution of movies. He was so dedicated to his profession that he would often learn new things in order to portray a particular character on screen perfectly and realistically. At the age of 40, he learned dance from the renowned Kuchipudi dancer Vempati Chinna Satyam for his role in the film Nartana Shala 1963. This is oral discourse. And now open page number 101, children. Okay, page number 101, children. A bit, Rendezvous with Roy. Sorry, with Ray. Rendezvous with Ray. With Ray. It was a unique friendship that developed between a French Canadian priest and one of the world's greatest film director, and had a singular impact on Bengal films both academically and practically. It was en route to India in 1961 at a stopover in New York that 26-year-old Father Gaston Robert was acquainted with the works of Satyajit Ray. Fascinating that Satyajit Ray, through the Apu trilogy, he found the word of Apu so fascinating that he saw all three films in one sitting, and there began his long-standing love affair with the people of India and Bengali cinema and culture, which led to path-breaking work in those fields. In his latest book, Satyajit Ray Essays 1970 to 2005, a compilation of his essays, as the name suggests, being published by Manohar Publishers, New Delhi. Robert provides a scholarly original analysis of Ray's work, giving an insight into the greatness of Ray both as a person and as an artist. The Apu trilogy was in fact my first portal. First portal is first entrance to West Bengal and its people. He told this was the first thing which he entered into the Bengali industry. He told Frontline in his youth, all he knew of Bengal was through Mircea Eliades, Knowledge Bengali, some of Tagore's poems, and a Reader's Digest article on Mother Teresa. If the harsh image of poverty brought out by the article on the saint of the slums haunted him, Apu's world came as reassurance. No, Apu, Sarbajaya, even Harihara did not need my help, but how not to love them? I thought it was fortunate that I would soon be among them, he wrote. So, Satyajit Ray was a famous Bengal film director, children, Bengal director of our country. According to Father Gaston Robert, the French comedian priest, a unique friendship developed between him and director Ray. So, this according to the French comedian priest, that is Robert, they both have become friends. It was on the way to India in 1961 at a stopover in New York. So in the year 1961, where they are coming from New York, once Robert saw 3 Bengali films in one sitting. So this French comedian saw this Bengali film. In one sitting, he saw 3 movies. Since then, Roberts began to love the people of India and Bengal cinemas and cultures. So from that time onwards, this Roberts, he loved the Indians and he loved the Indian films. In Roberts' latest book, he provides a scholarly original analysis of Ray's work, his greatness both as a person as an artist. So in his latest book, he has written, Roberts has written about Ray's work, like he is not only a person But greatness, both he has written about Satyajit Ray that he is not only as a person and an artist also, he is very great. Father Roberts came to know about West Bengal and its people for through trichology and then through different sources like Reader's Digest, Toggle's poem, etc. So, Father George Roberts came to know about this West Bengal through some poems, some different sources like some, what do we say, novels, poems. All this, through this he came to know about Bengal, the greatness of our country. In the Ray's film, Satyajit Ray's film, he could see enormous spiritual poverty of rich people than material poverty of the poor people. So he could analyze by seeing his movies the poverty of the rich and the poverty of the poor. Roberts met Satyajit Ray in person 9 years after he reached Calcutta. So Roberts met Satyajit Ray after he reached Calcutta after 9 years. Their friendship lasted 22 years until Ray's death in 1992. Their friendship, the French comedian Robert and Satyajit's friendship lasted for 22 years till he died, that is in the year 1992. Satyajit Ray passed away in the year 1992. Yes children, now first you will have to write this films and theatres as we discussed earlier before the starting of this lesson about this, in this picture a poster or advertisement that you will write. Who is the director of the film? Who are the people involved in the film making? This three you will write, and then you will write the oral discourse talk about your favorite actor, filmmaker, like as I discussed with you about N.T. Ramarao. So after that you will come to this lesson, Rendezvous with Ray. You will write the lesson number and name of the lesson, and then you will start writing the glossary of this lesson. After writing this glossary, you will start writing the question answers, children. You can write first question and second question. That is, what did Ray's detractors accuse him of? Did Roberts agree to their accusation? If not, why? Satyajit Ray's detractors accused him that he made his reputation selling India's poverty to the West. Roberts did not agree to their accusation because it was not the material poverty depicted in the films that struck him. To him, the enormous spiritual poverty of some rich people was much more deplorable than material poverty. The second one is, I did not come here to convert. In fact, I am the one who got converted. Who said these words? What different shades of meaning do you find in the words of the speaker? So this you can write after the continuation of this lesson, children, because we have not come across with this sentence. So in the next class we may come across with this, and you can write the answer in the next session. So now you can write it only first answer for this session, children. Until then you can go through the grammar work behind the lesson. So go through the lesson, children. Once you read the lesson, complete lesson, and write first answer, and the remaining lesson we will continue in the next session. Till then, take care, children. Read the lesson. Okay, children, read the complete lesson. We will discuss more about this lesson in the next session. Till then, take care, children, and write the answer and send it to the school mail ID. Okay, children, bye.